Welcome back, everybody. We back with another video, and today, man, I'm telling you, I'm back with another banger, and I'm trying to get everything back on track to like it should be. I got my little, hey, but yeah, that's my. She's gonna be recording for me today, and today, man, I'm gonna show y'all. I had to redo some parts and put some parts on. Um, my belt, my um tension pulley had melted. So I end up changing out the assembly and changing and putting a new belt on. After I did that, look at these guys, man. Look at these guys. Look at them. Gotta love them. But anyway, after I put the belt on, it was making a funny noise. So I called around, ended up getting up with O'Reilly's and talking to them. Hey, shout out to O'Reilly's because they got my parts. I ordered my parts at nighttime and they had my parts by the morning. So shout out to them for fast delivery. But anyway, what was I saying? I ordered the parts and I put it on the tension pulley assembly. I felt like they didn't have no videos on my car on a 03 Cadillac CTS. So today, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to. I'm not gonna show you how I did it, but I'm just gonna show you the bolts to take off and hey, it just slide straight out. So right here, this has the old one had melted, and I had to replace it out with a new one. But it's easy to take off. I figured it out. It's just two bolts right here. It's one right here, this one right here, and then there's one up under it. So it's like two right here, up under each other, on top and up under each other. But with them two bolts, it was nothing. Got it in, got it out. Put the new belt on, put the new part on. Then again, it was still making noise. So I went back. I drove the car right down the street to O'Reilly's, and I told the guy put it on the sensor. I put it on the machine because my check engine light had popped on, and he told me it was my crankshaft sensor. Now, this is my first time putting on a crankshaft sensor. I'm telling you, I'm recording, baby. But this is my first time putting on a crankshaft sensor ever. So it was first time. It was hard. It was terrible. But hey, me and my boy, my brother EJ, we got it in, got it out. I'm telling you. But this is the crankshaft. I don't think you're gonna be able to see it, but the crankshaft sensor is right there by the I think it's the fuel filter. It's right there by the fuel filter. This, you might not be able to see it, but this is the cord right here. This cord right here. Did you see it right here? This is the cord that goes to it, and it plugs up back here. It was one of these holding it back, holding it back there, but I broke it, so I gotta go to the junkyard and get another one. But yeah, man, it's just, hey, just another day. But anyway, I'm telling you, man, it's just been crazy, man. But on a good note, I got somebody that's working on my doors, and I am dropping my doors off Saturday morning and picking up my homeboy doors. So yeah, you already know, snatched everything out, and the car was already down, so why not get the doors done while the car already down? It's a treasure? Yes. Oh man, y'all be careful over there. But yeah, so dropping the doors off Saturday, getting those done, picking up my homeboys, bringing them back from from Fayetteville. But I forgot, I ain't even show y'all. Yeah, I rapped that. Yeah, I killed that. First time ever doing rap. I think I did a great job. I mean, just look at it. Yeah. Yeah, more to come. I'm supposed to be taking out some more pieces today to get them done. I did my roof. It was my first time. It's okay. I don't really like it, but I'm gonna redo it because I figured out what I did wrong right there in the front. But hey, it's alright right now. Car ain't driving anyway. Hey, how you doing? And you know I had to wrap this and make it matching. You feel me? Match the grill. Yeah. It's just the small things that matter, man. Window. I don't even want to talk about that. My son the window was already cracked. My son actually broke it today. He was sitting on the back of the hood, the back of the trunk, sitting on the back of the trunk, and for some reason he scooted up a little bit more and about to fall through the window. So that was crazy. But yeah, no, that's not cool, man. That's not cool. Don't do that again. Put those down. But yeah, man, I'm telling you, man, there's more to come, bro. Y'all jump in the comments, yo, and let me know what y'all think of the videos. Y'all hit that subscribe button, hit that like button,
and turn on the notification bell on.
You already know, cause the only way we going is.
Daddy, look. So you won't miss a video.
Cause you don't want to miss one. Cause they just dropping, man. We back on and we ain't stopping. We come with bangers after bangers after bangers after bangers.
With the banger.
So, yeah, man. Telling you. But for everybody that's been watching my son videos, I appreciate y'all support on that. I did some of those videos. Yeah, we're gonna get on your channel soon, baby. I did those videos because there are some parents out here that actually got an autistic kid and don't know how to keep their attention when they doing virtual learning or doing the learning. I mean, believe me, this year alone has been totally crazy with the COVID-19 and kids being home. So this is definitely something new to me too. So actually taking the time and being one-on-one with him, I feel like he have learned so much. So I appreciate everybody that supported those videos. I'm telling you, man, he have learned so much and I'm proud of him. But y'all jump in the comments, man. Oh, I forgot. Rams for sale. I don't know. I'm thinking about going 26s. Or should I go 24s again? I don't know. But y'all just stay tuned. I'm telling you, this thing drop again. It's gonna be OD. OD, you hear me? Like, stop playing with me. Y'all already know I'm putting that work in out here. No cap. Putting that work in. I'm working. While they sleeping, I'm working. No cap.